Hey adventurers, we left Grandma and Grandpa's house in Arizona and hit the road for Texas. And let's just say, this leg of the trip, absolutely wild.
Think water park meets wedding meets Christmas village on steroids with a little Trans-Siberian Orchestra thrown in for good measure.
Let's just say this is not your average family vacation episode. We had 2 extra seats in the car, so guess what? Grandma and Grandpa are coming with us. Family road trip, full car, let's do this.
And just when we thought we were headed straight to the wedding, surprise! Grandpa had secretly booked us a few nights at the Great Wolf Lodge.
Best dad ever.
This place was epic. Slides for days, wave pool, lazy river, all inside the hotel.
Even Grandpa got in on the lazy river action. And I mean, can you ever call it a water park day without the girls' favorite treat? Dippin' Dots.
These girls were living their best life.
We are at Great Wolf Lodge.
And as if a water park wasn't enough, at night we visited the Christmas Village in downtown Grapevine.
Which might actually be the North Pole. Just saying, look at this place.
The girls posed on a train, played with a giant Rubik's Cube, checked out some chalk art drawn on the sidewalk, took turns being a coachman and driving a horse and buggy. Posed with a giant teddy bear, rode on a unicorn, played on a giant operation game, leaned on a fence made with life-size crayons, joined in a nativity scene, hugged a snowman,
witnessed a snowman concert, peeked in and posed in front of all the shop windows, tried to fit into the tiny house, sat inside a giant ornament, saw a larger-than-life Christmas tree, reindeer, and nutcracker, and walked the entire decorative street taking video and pictures like crazy people.
no regrets.
And then Atlantis and Annalie flew in for the wedding.
My niece's wedding was stunning. Her and my sister-in-law had been planning this for over a year, and it seriously showed. From the outdoor ceremony to the fully catered reception, it was flawless.
Here we go, there we go. Come on, let's hear it for the newlyweds.
And then we hit the dance floor hard. The girls and I were busting moves. Adam was also there.
Hey, my awkward shuffle has sentimental value.
Congrats to the newlyweds. What a beautiful celebration of love.
Since we weren't going back to Utah for our usual Christmas concert tradition,
We found a concert right here in Texas. The Trans-Siberian Orchestra is in San Antonio. Wow. Just wow. They played all of our favorite Christmas rock songs, complete with lasers, snow machines, and fire.
and even though Alanis couldn't come, Annalie joined us, and we were so glad she did.
We laughed, we cried, we screamed Merry Christmas with thousands of strangers. 10 out of 10 would totally do it again. What an unforgettable Texas trip. Water park paradise, family epic wedding, North Pole vibes in Grapevine, and a Christmas concert we'll remember forever.
Sometimes the best adventures are the ones that blend family, festivities, and a whole lot of fun.
And if you've enjoyed this wild ride through Texas with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next.
We've got more memories to make, more states to explore, and probably more ice cream to eat.
Adventurepreneurs out.
Story time. One day I was walking. I saw this guy. It was like junk hour. He was just walking, and he had a bottle in his hand. We were just walking and running around and stuff, and we heard "Hey," and I was like, "Oh my gosh, that's so creepy." Oh my gosh. And then my sister, it was so weird because she's like, "Drunk guy," and I was like, "Why would you say that?" It was so embarrassing. And then we started running. So weird because he started chasing after us. I did not like it at all. It was it was so scary because we were just running away from him, and he was just like, just kept like coming, and I was like, ah, and we just like started running and stuff, and it was like so scary. Then he just like started running after us, and I was like, why would he start running after us? It was like really scary. So we went into our hotel we were staying at, and then we just ran up the stairs. It was so crazy. We were like running up the stairs, and he followed us, and then he opened the door, and it was crazy because he was running behind us, and we lived on the 3rd floor. We had to run all that way. And that's the end of the story, guys. Bye. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed story time. Bye.